Once you have finalized your survey, you need to share it to collect responses. To do that, simply hit Collect Responses, and here you have 3 ways to share your survey: by email, by web link, and by SMS. Let's go with email first and type in any name for email collector. Then simply edit the email collector by clicking on pencil icon and add new email invitation. Here you can enter recipient's email address manually, or you can import it from the file or the groups. Then enter email subject and body. After that, just hit send now, and that's it. You can also create more than one collector. Just click on Collect Responses again and add a new web link collector this time. Type in the collector name. Then edit the web link collector you just made by clicking on pencil icon. Copy the link and you can share it with anyone on social media. Once a user clicks on the link, it will automatically take them to your survey. Let's add another collector for SMS. Click on Send by SMS and enter any name for collector. Then again, hit the pencil button to edit the new collector and click on New SMS Invitation. Here you have to enter recipient's contact number and message. Then click Send Now. Congratulations, you just shared your survey!